Hello guys, this is how to add Blue Willow's AI to your own private server. If you don't have a server of your own, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is just click on that plus button and you're gonna create a server. It's a pretty straightforward process. And yeah, so I already created a server that's called Blue Willow. It's BW, it's right here. And all you need to do is just go to the LimeWire server and scroll down to one of the rookie rooms, let's say this one. And you're going to find a lot of messages that are generated by Blue Willow. So all you need to do is just click on Blue Willow and then click on Add App. And then you're going to need to choose the server that you want to add the AI to. So click on Select a server and then click on the server name that you need to add the AI to. So for me, it's Blue Willow. And then click on Continue. Make sure that all of these are checked to have full functionality and then click on Authorize. You may have to verify a CAPTCHA. So I am human, I am not a robot. Beep, boop, beep, beep. And then, yeah, go to Blue Willow. So we're at the server here. This is my own server. And yeah, Blue Willow is here. So now you can start using Blue Willow inside your own server. So I can just type imagine /imagine and then I can just start typing my prompt. And yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how to add Blue Willow to your own server. Hope that video was helpful.